القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Inshallah, in this part of the video, this part of the lesson, in this video we will be going through the med letters together. So again, if we notice that the alif does not have a corresponding haraka with an alif afterwards, because alif is an original med letter, and if it occurs with the haraka on it, then it's not an alif, it's a hamza. So we'll start with ba, inshallah. And we'll go straight into the sound. We won't say ba, fatha, alif, ba. No, we're going to go straight into the sound. By now, you should be knowing how to sing the letters without having to pronounce it phonetically, which means phonetically means by breaking the letters up. Ba, boo, bi. Remember, it's a very short stretch. It's a natural stretch, just like it would be in English. Okay? So when we have words in English like the, they, house, so this house like this, okay? So it's the same length, okay? But in Arabic, there's only 3 vowels. Ba, boo, bi. Well, there's 5 vowels, but here there's 3. Next one is ta, tu, ti. Ta, tu, ti. Ta, tu, ti. Tha, thu, thi. Tha, thu, thi. Tha, thu, thi. Now, one quick note when we're pronouncing this, the alif med, the med with the alif, then we're not saying ja, we're saying ja, if it's a light letter. So all of these are light so far. Ja. When we're pronouncing ju, we make sure that the lips are circle. The lips are in a perfect circle shape. Ju, 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 ji, ji, ji. Okay? Ja, ju, ji. And with the ha, make sure we're pronouncing it properly. It's from the middle of the throat with the air coming out. Remember the example of the strong mint. With a strong mint, we can feel the air passing through the throat. It's the same thing with the ha, hu, he. Not ha, ha, hu, he, ha, hu, he. The kha, we are pronouncing it because it's a heavy letter. And we say kha, excuse me, kha, khu, khi. So this is the heaviest, and then this is the next, and then there's the lightest. Kha, khu, khi. Kha, khu, khi. Da, not da, da, do, di. How are we going to get that? By touching the tip of the tongue. Da, do, di. The, thu, the, the, thu, the. With the ra is different because when the fatha and the dhamma is heavy. Ra, ru. With the kasra is light. Ri, ra, ru, ri. Ra, ru, ri. Za, zu, zi. Remember, read this with me. Make sure you're starting and stopping the sound at the same time as in the video. Za, zu, zi. Sa, su, si. Sa, su, si. Si, exactly the same in English. Zu is almost like zu, but we say more emphasis on the dhamma. Zu. Jumping back to where we are. Sha, shu, she. A lot of people, they pronounce this as sha. It's not sha, it's sha, sha. Make sure we're opening the lips when we're saying this. Remember the example of qul when you saw how I was pronouncing it with the lips open. Shu, she, sha, shu, she. Saw, su, si, saw, su, si. Ba, du, di, ba, du, di. Again, these are two heavy letters. Sa, da, su, du, si, di. Next page. Ta, tu, ti, ta, tu, ti. Pronounce this with me. Ta, tu, ti. Do not pronounce it ta. Do not pronounce it ta. Is ta, tu, ti. Alhamdulillah. Dha, dhu, dhi. Dha, dhu, dhi. Coming to Ain. Ain, we need to make sure we're pronouncing it properly. From the middle of the throat, like the ha, with a strong sound. Ah, ah, ru, ru, ri, ri. I actually pronounce this like some of the Arabs. In fact, I'll do the other pronunciation of the Ain. Not as strong as the way as I pronounce it. It's ah, ru, ru, ri, ah, ru, ri. The sound still comes from the middle of the throat. Ah, ru, ri. Ra. Again, have a look at the way it's been written, just so you can get used to the apostrophe pronouncing, representing the Ain. The next letter, Ra, Ru, Ri. Again, Ra is the heaviest because Fatha. Ru is the next, is Dhamma. Ri is the lightest of the heavy because it's Kasra. Ra, Ru, Ri. Fa, Fu, Fi. There's not Fa, it's Fa. Open the mouth when you're saying it. Fa, Fu, Fi. Fa, Fu, Fi. Next one, Qaf. Again, a heavy letter. Qa, Qu, Qi. Qa, Qu, Qi. Qa, Qu, Qi. Coming on to Ka, Ku, Ki. Ka, Ku, Ki. Ka, Ku, Ki. Before I go into the sound of this, notice that when we have the lam and then the alif and the fatha, it's written completely differently. Now, most of the time in the Arabic writing of the Quran, it will be represented like that. So the first line is the lam, and then it sort of swivels around and it comes back with the alif. So the second one is an alif. Alright, so you need to be careful of that. In some of the writings of the Quran, it's written differently, like a almost like this, but with the alif popping up there. An alif popping up there. But most of the copies is written like this in the Madani script. So it's La, Lu, Li. La, Lu, Li. La, Lu, Li. Coming on to Mim. These are the easy sounds. Ma, Mu, Mi. Ma, Mu, Mi. Ma occurs so much in the Quran. Make sure we're not saying this as ma. It's ma. Ma. Again, mu, mi. Na, not na. Na. Nu, ni. na, nu, ni. I'm sure you're getting the hang of this. Is very easy. Wa, wu, we. Wa, wu, we. Now what are we noticing? There's no sakin on these. There's no haraka on these. These are inherently sakin. They are intrinsic sakins because they're med. Ha, hu, he. Ha, hu, he. But the hamza, when it's joined to another letter, then it sits on what we call the kursi, on the chair, and it has this hamza on top of this dot here, this line here, just like the na, the ta, or the tha, or the noon, so on, as the hamza. A, u, e. A, u, e. A, u, e. And the last one, ya, you, ye. When we have this, make sure we pronounce the first ya properly. So you have to say ye. So say ya, you, ye. Ya, you, ye. Inshallah, the next part you will learn about the lean.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Salam Alykum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.